I want to spend my life with you because I can hardly wait for the exciting moments coming our way. I know we will be able to accomplish so much together. Look at how much has happened for us so far. And to know I get to spend the rest of my life with you just makes me smile. I knew when I met you I wanted to be up here with you, so to be here with you now is very special. Thank you.
I would like to take a minute to acknowledge where we are right now, to recognize the natural beauty of our surroundings, the giant trees, the mountains, this beautiful river. An incredible place to get married, acknowledging this is on the unceded and traditional territory of the Squamish and Leetwat Coast Salish people.
Believe it, we made it. We're here. And today I get to tell you in front of everyone here why I love you and why I want to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you for your spontaneous can-do attitude. I love you because you show me a different perspective without making mine feel wrong.
I love you because you're patient, kind, you're gentle, you're smart and thoughtful. You have shown me unconditional love, and you always stay positive when times get tough.
Now, Geoff and Lauren, keep looking at each other and think about where your lives are going to be 5 years from now. How about 10 years from now? What's going to be different 30 years from now?
I promise to always be faithful to you and understanding of your feelings. I will cook for you, and I'll be sure to always do my fridge thing every week, so that the house doesn't smell bad. I promise to be emotionally available whenever you need me and always put my best effort forward in our relationship, no matter what the circumstances are.
I promise to love you for everything that you are and everything that you're going to be. I promise to be faithful and patient, understanding and kind. I promise to choose you every day, especially in the moments that are hard. I promise to love and care for you, to encourage and inspire you, to laugh with you, and to comfort you in times of sorrow.
With this ring, we forge a new path on our adventure together. I will always love you. Lauren, I waited a long time for this. I'm so happy to have you in my life. I can hardly wait to start our lives together. You're everything to me. I love you.
Now, upon the authority vested in me by the province of British Columbia, I pronounce you as husband and wife. You may seal your vows with a kiss.